an open box of something that I received in the mail today, which is the I don't know what it's called. I'll probably edit that in or put it on the screen here so you guys can see. But anyways, this came from China. I purchased it on AliExpress for like $200 with taxes. It's supposed to be a stereo, 9-inch screen for the Toyota Prius 2012. I think it's like a 2010 to 2013, I believe, or 14, maybe 15. I don't know. Don't really know too much information on it, but I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. Anyways, purchased it in November, came today, and it came in this box, sealed like this. I opened it up, and yeah, let me give you guys the open box. Alright, cool. So here's the cables. I believe... Okay, I might have to buy the adapters. It doesn't matter though. But yeah, you get some cables. The cables. Put that to the side. You get the GPS here. Take it out. All the stuff for the GPS in here. This cable, there's 3 pieces, 4 wires here. And I'll install it as well so you guys can see how everything's installed. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, back to the unbox. And I believe this is for the steering wheel controller. Not really sure. But we'll see how that goes as well. I'll have to Google everything. Yeah, it says a part number there. Not really quite sure what it is. Damn, where is it? There you go. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. I'll flip that over for you guys. But yeah. Oh, cool. It gives you the prying tools as well. It gives you about 1, 2, 3 prying tools. That's useful, very useful to have. And then to the meat and potatoes where you get the 9-inch screen. It's massive, extremely massive. Look at that. Wow. Buttons feel solid. Not like the that $30 stereo that I had. This feels really good. Yeah, it's solid, man. You see the power button there. Here, well, I'll do it this way. I'll invert the camera. So yeah, you guys can see that the buttons and everything are well designed. Not designed, but the imprints are perfectly drawn in. You know, they're not like half-assed or anything. But yeah, and then here's the back. You got your fuse there. You got your antenna. Everything else there to connect it. Very thin compared to other stereos. Any like stereo from the manufacturer. Very smaller than that. Like extremely compact, which I like. So this will save you some weight if you're trying to make your Prius faster, or just save gas. So that's a plus on my end. All right, you guys. Well, that's the unbox. Let me put on the screen everything that comes in it, and then I can turn it off and you guys can get going. So you get your screen, your 2 wires, you're installing, oh there you go, your plate installer. There's 2 pieces, very thin. Put that on there. You have this as well, which goes for the, I believe the stereo. Sorry, the steering wheel. I'll leave that there. You got the prying tools, and then the GPS. So yeah, that's everything that comes in it. And my next video, well, I'll probably cut this part off and show you guys the actual functions of the stereo once I install it. So not done with this video, but yeah, let me pause it and we'll get to the next video.